Welcome back. This is our DIY section on how to set up a Minecraft server. Now, there's a lot of different ways to do this, but we are going to be focusing on Windows because that's what majority of people have, and frankly, it's the easiest way since Minecraft actually provides us a GUI or a graphic user interface to set up our Minecraft server. Now, we're not going to be going through port forwarding or anything like that, but you can definitely look that up. But to set up a public server, you're definitely going to have to do a little bit more research. But for local servers, this is perfect. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in to here, and we're going to go to minecraft.net.
All right, so minecraft.net, what you want to do is you're going to go to game, and you can either buy it, which you have to log in and buy it. But right now, we're just going to download their server. So it's minecraft.net/download. And check this out. We have the Minecraft server. You can do the jar. We actually have an exe that we've already downloaded.
Which is right there.
Yep, it's right here.
So
we download it. Let's get this out of the way. We're going to run it. And this is really simple. I run it, and what do you know? We have a Minecraft server. Now, how do we connect?
That's a great question. So you just have to go back and know what a server is. What is a server? A server is basically a computer or a service that has a bunch of different computers connecting to it. So right now, it says Minecraft server, so this is basically a service running on this local computer, and it's awaiting for people to connect to it. So what we need to do first is figure out what IP address we need to connect to.
Now, there's a couple of ways that we can do that, and quite frankly, the simplest way, I think, is using the console. Most of you probably haven't used it before, but it's really simple. You go to Start, and you click on the thing, you type in CMD, the letter CMD, hit Enter, and you get this black box, and it seems kind of confusing with the black box, but we're going to type in the letters IPCONFIG, IPCONFIG, and this will give us my IP address, if I scroll up here, IP4 address. Now, this is my address right here, 10.25.06, so I'm going to use that. So I start Minecraft. Take a look here. Let's log in.
That's a custom menu thing, so don't be scared of that he had there.
All right, so we're going to go to multiplayer. Now, we're going to add a server, and we're going to add what we saw, again, was 10.25.
We can Alt-Tab if we need to go back.
Alt-Tab, let's see here. Where'd it go? Let's get this again. Just like before, IPCONFIG. This is going through it again. 10.25.0.6. All right, and here's my Minecraft server. It's right here. It's running. It'll accept 20 people. Let's take a look. I can connect. And hey, what do you know? I'm playing. Now, I could give that IP address to people anywhere inside the network, and I could just start playing with them. And we could just get after it.
Now, the interesting thing about this is y'all might have probably seen a lot of different Minecraft servers online and all this. This is what we would call the vanilla server. So there are no mods, vanilla meaning like plain. No mods, nothing's on there, just basic, go build stuff, use, you can craft stuff, you can do whatever you want on basic. But when it comes to different worlds in this server, it gets a little bit more complicated and a little bit more involved. There are some basic settings on here, so I think we can go to the, back to the server.
Let's go back to the server.
So this is a console for the server, and
what we're going to want to do to make sure that people can play, obviously with vanilla, we don't have this thing called permissions, so we need to do what's called OP, and that basically allows you to play and control the server, right? So we have to OP, letters OP, you can't really see it, it's kind of small, but you type in OP space and the player name, which my name, Caleb, right? I hit enter, and what do you know, I'm OP, now I can start breaking stuff and collecting stuff and killing these sheep.
All right. So we hope that you kind of got the gist of basic server administration for Minecraft. It gets a lot bigger, a lot better. There's a lot more complicated ways you can do things, but this is the first step, is figuring out how to actually let people join in your game.